So now we're doing an exercise that's called rowing, and this is an exercise which strengthens our arms and our core muscles. For that, we come in a parallel bounce. We bring the arms in front of us and make fists. And here we pay attention that we are not lifting up the shoulders, we're leaving them nicely down. And the rowing movement is basically like when you're sitting in a boat and you row the boat, like that. Yeah. Now the core muscles get strong because as soon as you bring something forward, you need a certain amount of energy to hold yourself back in your spine. Otherwise, you would arch your back, you would come forward. So you hold yourself back here, and with that you strengthen the core muscles. If you're very attentive, you feel that you can close the eyes for a moment, and then bring the arms forward, and you will feel in here that you need your core muscles to hold you back. So you take the arms, make the fists, and then as if you have a resistance here, you pull it towards you. Yeah, you don't just do that, you really pull, and imagine you're sitting in a boat and the water gives you the resistance. And you do that while you're bouncing parallel. So let's do that. And 1, 1, 1, 1. At the moment I bounce 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do it quicker. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And those of you who have a TheraBand can do the same exercise with a TheraBand. So you just put it here under your rebounder and in between the legs here. Put it between 2 legs, and then I take TheraBand in my hands. Go again in the parallel stance. Bring the arms forward and do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. That gives you even more resistance, specifically because you're also pulling a little bit upwards and then towards you. So you will feel that very much in these muscles here. Okay, now it's up to you. Have fun. I'm going to show you an exercise now that's called swimming. And swimming is strengthening very much our back, our shoulders and our arms. In order to do that, we come in a parallel bounce. We bring the arms forward, and basically what we are doing is the swimming movement. So you imagine you're in the water and you're swimming. So come with me in a parallel bounce, and we do the swimming movement. And what you can do is exhaling when you come forward, inhaling when you come to the side. Exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, ex and in, and ex and in, and ex and in, exhaling and in. And now we're doing it with counting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now what we're doing now is going in a movement which you know already. That is the cross-country skiing movement. And what we are going to do now is to combine the swimming movement of the arms with the cross-country movement of the legs. And that is quite challenging in the beginning, and it's a great exercise to learn and to work on our coordination. So now we bring the arms forward, and with the next movement we are doing the swimming movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So it might take you a while to get that coordinated, so do it in steps. First you do the arms, then you do the legs, and then you do it together. Yeah? Okay, have fun!